Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the iMovie project and importing footage so you can shape the story. Open iMovie, tap the plus, choose Movie, then pick Clips. Make sure to add all source clips to the timeline now, because order matters for pacing and music placement. Once clips are in, scrub the timeline and perform quick trims or splits to remove dead space. That gives you clean spots for music cues and prevents re-editing later. Next, refine your clips and get audio ready so the music sits well. Trim and split where necessary, and detach or lower clip audio to prevent clashes. You should also add fades on dialogue clips to smooth transitions, because abrupt levels distract. Then open the audio menu and choose My Music, Soundtracks, or Files. Make sure you preview tracks against the timeline. This helps you decide where to place beat hits and where to cut a track for a clean end. Finally, add music and polish the mix so your edit feels complete. Drag a song to the background slot for automatic ducking, or place it as a clip on the timeline for manual control. Make sure to set fades at both ends, trim where necessary, and adjust volume so dialogue remains intelligible. When done, export via Share Save Video and test on headphones. If audio clips clip or appear muted, check clip detachment and master volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.